Morning, grade 4. This is Teacher Mark. Our lesson for today is different weather components. So, different weather component has two main parts, weather components and weather instrument. So, air temperature, air pressure, wind speed and direction, humidity, cloud formation, and precipitation or amount of rainfall. In weather instrument, thermometer, barometer, wind vane, and anemometer, cloud indicator, and lastly, the rain gauge. So, in the different weather component, its atmosphere is mixture of several gases. 78% of nitrogen, 81% of oxygen, and the remaining 1% is composed of other gases. So, weather, it is a condition of the atmosphere at any given time and place. Weather forecaster, they are using certain instrument to measure, record each weather component, and show the data on the weather chart. Air temperature, it is a degree of hotness and coldness of the air at a particular time and place. Thermometer, it is the instrument used to measure air temperature. C means degrees Celsius and F means Fahrenheit. So the more the higher recorded temperature, that it is the hottest, while the lowest temperature, that is the coldness. As you may see, there is a manual and a digital thermometer nowadays. Air pressure, it is a measure of force which air molecules push on water. Cool air has greater air pressure since the molecules of cool air are closer together than molecules of warm air. So barometer, it is the instrument used to measure air pressure. So these are the data. And this is the instrument called barometer. So this is the digital. Okay. Next, wind. It is a name the direction where it comes from, not after the direction where it is blowing. Wind vane. It is an instrument used to tell the direction where the wind comes from. Anemometer. It is a instrument used to measure the wind speed. So as you may see, this is a wind vane. It has a tail, and this cup or the anemometer used to measure the wind speed. Okay, I think that is 60 cup per minute. Okay. Next, humidity, the another component, the amount of water vapor or moisture in the air. Cloud formation at a colder temperature, air water molecules move slowly and make it easier and water vapor molecules to condense. So cloud indicator, it is a by meteorologists and to measure cloudiness directness of red at given time. So this is an example of cloud indicator data that gathered by the scientists. Okay. Cloud formation. So these are the cloud formation. As you can see, there are the types also for the cloud formation. One is cumulus clouds. It is indicate fair or sunny weather found in daytime. Cotton like puff is now like round. So this is an example of cumulus clouds. Cloud formation, cirrus clouds, it is indicate fair or sunny weather found in daytime. So the characteristic is it's feather-like white seen high up on the sky. So another cloud formation stratus brings some drizzle or light rain. Long rays or blue have flat layers seen low in the sky. And last is nimbus cloud. Bring heavy downpour. Make sure to bring an umbrella or raincoat. So its characteristics low, quick heavy, dark gray or black in big heaps. The last component is precipitation or amount of rainfall. It is any of the forms of moistures which falls from the atmosphere to Earth's surface. It can be in form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. So rain gauge, it is an instrument used to measure amount of rainfall in place at a particular time in a day. So this is a manual or the traditional rain gauge, and this is the digital form of rain gauge. And lastly, these are the chart we may know in order to determine if it is rain, a freezing rain, or the sleet, or the snow. Sa Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Service Administration, it is issues the official weather bulletin to inform people on what weather will be today. And also, meteorologist is the type of scientist that studies the atmosphere to predict and understand Earth weather. And lastly, meteorology, the branch of science concerned with the process and phenomena of the atmosphere, especially as means of forecasting and other. For that, thank you. Hope you learned something more with Teacher